Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, variable replacement in strings is a common task, and it allows you to create dynamic and customizable output by inserting variable values into predefined string templates. This tutorial will guide you through different methods for variable replacement in strings with code examples. The simplest way to replace variables in a string is by using string concatenation. You can concatenate variables and strings to create a new string. Output. However, this method can be cumbersome and less readable, especially when dealing with multiple variables. The % operator can be used for string formatting. You specify the variables and their types in the string, and then provide the values as a tuple. Output. Here, %s is a placeholder for a string, and %d is a placeholder for an integer. The str.format method provides a more flexible and readable way to replace variables in a string. Output. You can use curly braces as placeholders for variables, and the format method will replace them with the specified values. F-strings, also known as formatted string literals, offer a concise and readable way for variable replacement. Output. In F-strings, variables are enclosed in curly braces within the string, and their values are automatically substituted. Choose the method that best fits your needs and coding style. F-strings are recommended for their readability and simplicity, especially in Python 3.6 and later versions. ChatGPT